Hello! Today we talk about our new tool named Texture Assigner URP, which is a Unity tool dedicated for URP project. This tool is used for assign the texture to the materials easily.
Open the Texture Assigner URP editor window from the menu bar under the Zero Gravity Devs in Tools. Drag and drop the mesh or 3D object into the target object field in the editor window. Click the Extract and Save Materials button to extract and save the material. You can either choose a folder to save the material or create a new folder to save the material.
Click on the Show Mapped Materials to see the materials that are attached in this 3D object. You can see the list of all mapped materials in the left side of the editor window. Click the Auto Assign Textures from Folders button and select where the folder where the textures are saved. Choose the correct folder to load all the textures to the materials automatically. Now you can see the textures are all assigned to materials. You don't have to manually assign each textures to a materials. With this tool, you can easily assign all the textures of a materials very quickly.
You can assign the material directly also. Click on the Direct Material mode and choose the material you want to assign the texture. Click on the button and select the texture folder to assign the texture to materials.
Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Drop us your feedback and show some support if you enjoyed it.